Hello and welcome to another episode of Tailored for Taste. Today we're putting a twist on some old favorites.
Old favorites like oxtail, curry chicken, seasoned rice, and saltfish.
What is your old-time favorite dish?
My favorite?
Yes.
Curry chicken. Has to be. I had curry chicken with white rice. You can't have it with rice and peas.
I don't understand how people eat stew peas with rice.
Okay, let's not get that far. Stew peas have to eat with rice and peas.
What? No. Let's move on. Moving on. No. Joining us today are two of my favorites, Dion Silvera and Dufton Shepherd.
Oh, hey,
Dufton, Pinky. You need to be...
No, welcome to Pilgrim, you can't do that.
Just touched down at the airport.
We're ready.
Food was sent.
Thanks for having us.
I'm going to ask them, what are your favorites, your old-time favorites?
Today?
No, not today, from overall.
Many years ago, I loved oxtail, but I tried turn out vegan, but even though
And now she like grass.
So now
I despise that, but
I'm chicken. I eat chicken every now and again.
You eat chicken.
So we have chicken today?
Yes.
We're going to have chicken.
And of course, I can saltfish.
So today I'll be making some oxtail wontons, right?
Yes.
No, I decided originally that I was going to boil them, right? But then I'm going to do both because anything fried is always good too. So we're going to fry them and we're going to boil them. But before we can get to that, right?
Oxtail wontons.
Yes.
I mean, normally persons know of oxtail with a bone.
Yes.
I mean, you take the meat off.
Right, that's what I did.
Boneless.
Yes.
How long you cook this for?
What
Tell
I
me.
did, I cooked the oxtail like normal, right? Now, this is also a great dish to use leftovers, right? Which one of you want to come and help me now? Or both of you want to come and help me?
Yeah,
Yes.
But this is a simple.
She can eat meat, so she won't eat it out. More for me. More for me.
All right,
So what you want with it now?
what we're going to do now is just we're going to put a small amount. And then we're just going to use our finger, or if you had a pastry brush, you could use that. And then we're just going to squeeze them up like this.
This looks like sliced cheese,
And
but
I'm
actually it's
Here we go.
dough, right?
Yeah, it's a
It's
wonton
not.
wrapper.
Okay.
You can
Is
buy
it-
this in almost any supermarket in the freezer section. You don't want to put too much water on them because the
Shrimp.
it will
Too
tear.
Yes.
We want to make sure that they're sealed. That's the most important part because if they're not sealed and they're torn, you'll
Then
get the
it's going to be coming out.
right. And then especially when the ones that we would fry, you're
Right.
going to get oil going inside, which we don't
we don't
want.
want that.
I'm
There we
gonna
go.
just fry those.
Oh, so you're,
gonna fry
so
these.
you're frying them now?
I'm
That's
going
what
to
you're
fry
doing?
some of them. These are boiling, right?
boiling
so I actually
some.
have a pot here with some water and I put some beef stock in there as well,
Right.
right? And
All
some
right.
salt.
Oh,
Anymore? You want me
so
to
the
do
water
more?
you're boiling it in is... Hold on, Mama, come on.
You want me to do more?
Yes, we can do
Oh.
some more, man.
Let me ask.
Got
All
holy
right, so
oxtail here.
this is being boiled.
Yes.
These are being boiled, right?
Right.
And what do you say you put in the water?
I put some beef stock in there
Beef
and some
stock,
salt
Beef
and
stock
water.
and salt. And that's it.
Yes, that's it.
So how long do you boil it
Beef
for?
That's-
turn down then, sorry that off it.
I think we can take it off now. It just needs to boil for 2 to 3 minutes, so it can come off now.
Until it boils, Duffy.
Yeah, I'm gonna sort out this.
Thank you, Dufton.
Yeah.
That's ready?
So let me check if
You
the
prefer
oil-
when people call you Dufton or Duffy? 'Cause
It doesn't
Not with the
make a
water.
difference in the same person.
Don't put it in with the water. Drain it, Duffy.
He's not my mother, you know?
No, but you need to drain it.
I'm draining it.
It
gonna
don't
be fried
really need to
Dion
drain.
is not your show.
No, I know.
It's okay, though. You don't have to get off all liquid because technically a boiled wonton would have been eaten in a soup anyway. So you don't really have to worry about the liquid that is
I'm
out there.
missing, no.
So you see it, Dion? You're rushing me for no reason at all. And
Duff does.
I know it's Dion make this one, you know. It shell out. You know, so I'm not going to Dion house to eat anything.
Must be confident eat oxtail.
All right.
I think if you're making eggs, then I'll come for the eggs. But
That's about it, right?
that's about it.
Oh, boy.
Oh, gosh.